So this tip involves data entry. This is about entering data or content into a cell where Excel will recognize the type of data you're entering into the cell and format that cell accordingly. When we open up a new workbook or create a new worksheet, the formatting is going to be the general formatting. We can see that on the Home tab in the number group. That's general, this is general, this, and this is also general. Well, if we enter some content into a cell and we want it to be a date, we can do that in a number of different ways. But one of the ways we can do it is to enter a date in probably the way you would guess you would enter a date, like 3/12 for March 12th, 2014. When I enter this value into the cell, Control Enter, Excel has now formatted that cell as a date. I can also enter a time into a cell in many different ways. One of the ways is 3 p.m., Control Enter, and Excel shows me that it's a custom format. But if I click the dialog box launcher, the custom format is hours, minutes, AM, PM. It's a time format. I'm going to cancel that. And we can also enter dates and times. 3 p.m., Control Enter. And again, I get the custom format, and launching the dialog box, the custom format is a date with the time. Month, day, years, hours, and minutes. Canceling out of that. We can also enter a fraction into a cell where Excel will format that cell as a fraction. But we have to be careful about this, because if I enter 3 divided by 12, Control Enter, that's a fraction, but I get the custom formatting again, which is actually a date format. So how do we get Excel to recognize this as a fraction instead of assuming that what we want is a date? I'm going to Control Z to undo that. The way to do it is to enter a 0 space and then your fraction. 3 divided by 12, Control Enter, and now Excel has formatted that cell as a fraction. For a currency format, you might be able to guess this. You precede the value with a dollar sign. And Excel has formatted that cell as currency. The percentage is a similar thing. 25%, Control Enter, and Excel formats that cell as a percentage format.